Level up your online shopping game with the seamless security of Apple Pay. First, let's ensure your payment information is securely stored within your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, you'll see an option to add card. Tap this to begin adding a new credit or debit card, or if you already have cards linked, they'll be displayed here. You can either scan your card using your iPhone's camera or manually enter the card details. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card with your bank, which might involve a text message code or bank app verification. Now, let's move to making an online purchase when you're on a compatible website or app. Proceed to the checkout page as you normally would. Keep an eye out for the Apple Pay button, often represented by the Apple Pay logo or a Buy with Apple Pay option. Tap this button to initiate the Apple Pay transaction. Upon tapping, your iPhone will display the transaction details. This is where you'll verify the amount and shipping information to complete the purchase. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, your payment is processed instantly and securely, and you'll typically see a confirmation message on your screen. And just like that, you've used Apple Pay to order online, enjoying both the security and convenience it offers. Happy shopping!